Happy Catholic Schools Week and happy Monday, Diocese of San Diego Catholic Schools. We are here to shout out our teachers for Catholic Schools Week 2021. My name is Matthew Cordes. I am the Associate Director of Schools for the Diocese of San Diego and will be with you all week shouting out our teachers. So let's get going. Our first teacher to be shouted out for Catholic Schools Week 2021 is Julie Zacharias. Julie is from Sacred Heart Parish School out on Coronado and was nominated by her principal, Peter Harris. He said, Julie Zacharias is a VP and go-to tech person, heroically keeping us up and running. Well, thank you to Julie for all of her hard work, and thank you to all of the tech people in our Catholic schools this week. They've done an amazing job, not only in March, but also in August and September when we rolled back into in-person instruction as well. Thank you so much for everything that you do, Julie, and we look forward to seeing who comes up next tomorrow on our Catholic school teacher shoutouts.